The editable translated text by VP Online AI Image Translator allows us to tidy up easily using the alignment feature. Press Translate now to open the image translator. Here, we will take a diagram as an example. Select the target language, then press Process to start the translation. First of all, press Select All button and unify the text font. Then, use the Set to Same Size button to standardize the font size. Next, align the text content using the Text Block Alignment feature. Since the text alignment is already centered, we only need to select the blocks and align the text blocks themselves. Reposition them to avoid overlapping with the diagram paths. Let's do the same for the right side. As you can see, some of the translated text is longer, so we can break it into multiple lines. Then, align them again to keep everything in place. Adjust the text content on the left as well. Fine-tune any remaining text blocks and make sure all of them follow the correct alignment. Without complicated editing, we can get a clear and tidy translated result. When everything looks good, press Export Image to download the translated image to your device.